Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a refashion enthusiast. I love to transform old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy and yeah, usable too. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you transformation on this small size men's shirt into this awesome knotted peplum top. Stripes and plaid patterns are now in trend, and I have been seeing this kind of statement tops everywhere, so stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I transform this shirt. FYI, the shirt I'm transforming today is exact the same size as this shirt, which is very much fitted up to the waist and does not fit me down the hips. So let's get started for the transformation. First of all, detach the sleeves and the collar from the shirt. Now take the sleeves and make a knotted bodice like this. Notice how the sleeves have been placed and do exactly same for your bodies as well. Pin it to the middle to connect the sleeves, and I tried it to my dress form to see how it works. You can try on yourself and see how it works on your body. After being sure with the design, now take the sleeves, stitch it from the wrong side to close the armholes, which is now our body. Stitch the armhole, turn the sleeves inside out, and follow all the similar process we did before to make the knotted bodies. So this is how clean the bodies and neckline looks like. Now pin everything in place and join the upper and lower parts by giving them flying stitch. How our bodies looks like. So this is how I design, and these are some of the designs I had in mind. So finally I decided to go with this one. Take the remaining bodies of the shirt and cut it from the armhole. Fold the front bodice in half and take the measurement. The upper part here is the chest part, and this one is the waist side, from where our back bodice will start. So take the upper shoulder part and take out everything that comes in way. Fold it in half from the center front and center back, and we're going to use this part as the side bodice. We'll be using both front and back side of the bodies as sides of our new bodies respectively. Overlap the sides by 1 inch as seam allowance. Now draw a freehand back part connecting from the sides. I forgot to leave seam allowances, so I again adjusted and created a new back bodice with 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now sandwich the front side bodice between the back side bodice like this and give it a straight stitch. Finish the upper back part like this. Similarly, finish the waistline and keep every raw edges inside. Stitch it and turn the fabric inside out. Iron it flat, and this is how it looks like. Now fold it and take the measurement from the center front, and we are only taking the measurement of our waistline. Well, mine happened to be the exact measurement of my waistline, so I decided to cut 2 inches so that I could add elastic for my back part. Now take the remaining bodies and cut 4 inches strip on fold equal to the back waistline. Close the upper part from the wrong side by giving it a stitch. Now take the strip and mark the points half of inches up to the bottom. We're gonna add bobbin elastic to the strip and make it look like this. If you don't know how to add a bobbin elastic, then go watch my tutorial where I have shown you how to add bobbin elastic. Now join the strip to the both back sides. Interlock all the raw edges and see how it looks on your body. Now take the bodies and cut out the button plackets. Now trace the plackets and cut out strips on fold, join them like this and make a strap. Try the bodies on your body and add straps like this. You can either pin the straps on the bodies or mark it right where the strap meets the bodies. Hand stitch the strap on the bodies. Now take measurements of your arms and add 2 to 3 inches for the strap and cut it out from the remaining bodies like this. Interlock all the raw edges and fold it by 1/4 inch to finish it. We're going to use this strap later. Now from the very little remaining bodies, mark 5 inches up to the bottom and cut out long strip measuring 5 inches all. Join all the strips together and interlock all the raw edges. Take the strips and start making pleats of 1 to 1/2 inch each. Pin the pleats and stitch it all. This will be a small peplum ruffle which will fall down the waistline. Now take the upper part and fold it by 1/4 inch and give a straight stitch. Now attach the ruffle to the waistline by pinning it. Now join the ruffle and the bodies by giving it a top stitch like this. I like my hemline interlocked. If you want to give a clean finish, you can also fold it by 1/4 inch and give a straight stitch. Make sure you cut out and balance the hemline. Now take the arm straps we prepared before and make a pleats like this and give it a stitch. Now take elastic of 1 inch and cut 2 inch of the elastic, 2 pieces, and attach it like this. This is gonna be our off shoulder strap, so elastic on the strap will let our hands move easily. So the last process, take the strap and we're gonna attach it like this. So first try the overall bodice and see where the strap meets on the front bodice, and mark at the point and hand stitch it. And yep, we're done. So here is the final transformation.